Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and for part 4 of the EasyGo RXV rebuild. So in the last video we basically put all the electrical stuff together and we got the motors moving. However, since then we've had some issues with the brakes. Now that brake actually there were some big issues with the braking system, and I tracked it down to the run plug here, which I've sort of done a soldering hack job to sort of take care of that. That should work much better than the corrosion we had on the old one. But now I've done all that, the brake works. I just got to get a new connector here because it's kind of a bit loose. But other than that, it sort of works. I'll just put some tape on it for the first test drive. Make sure the wires don't disconnect or something. And we'll be ready to reassemble the front end today and get the sort of floor mat in, and then we'll start working on putting the rear end back together, and we should have the thing fully assembled in this video, maybe? Okay, let's get back to work. Okay guys, so it is the next morning. Today I'm hoping to get the whole rear body assembled. I power washed all the parts. They're all sort of out here. And I'm now going to get the main sort of rear body part on here. I already installed the front bumper. And then after that, I'm going to put all the sort of bits that go on there. I'm going to permanently mount the seat in with its hinges, and I'm going to put all these other trim pieces on. So I'm going to get back to work now. Hey guys, so it is a few days later. I have been actually driving the golf cart quite a lot, just doing a lot of testing. As you can see, the whole thing is pretty much assembled. We have the roof and all that. Today a windshield is also supposed to arrive with mirrors, so I have to mount that up here because it does get kind of cold when you're driving around. And I also have the seatbelt kit, which I'm going to install right now. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. Okay guys, as you just saw, I did finish installing the seat belts on the golf cart. It was a bit harder and took quite a good much longer than I expected, simply because there wasn't really a way to mount it easily, and I had to do my own mounting because of this rear seat. It wasn't really designed for that. So I had to do my own little mounting job, and that took a lot of time to sort of sort out and figure out how I was going to do all that. But I've done it, and it is super solid. Later I'm just going to get some small washers in these areas so that just sort of fix that, but it's not something that has to be done right now. It's still structurally really solid. So I think this is great. We have seatbelts on it. I'm going to go and hopefully the windshield and mirrors will arrive tonight, and then I can get to work installing those. It's a few days later. I am working on it again. As I stated in the previous clip, I have been driving it around a lot, taking it up to the pool and tennis courts and back. It's great. It drives really well. I just got a bit of trouble today from the brake. It wouldn't release. It turns out I do need to replace the loose connector, so I got to get that pretty quickly. But I'm going to right now. I got all these mirrors, and I'm gonna install them, and then yeah, we're gonna do that, and let's get back to work. Well, I'm gonna have to end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I will try and be better about uploading videos in the future. There's really only one part left to go. It looks really great. I can't wait to you guys to see part 5, which will be released hopefully shortly.